wish I could talk with a female voice. I am really bad at that. Only even try. I wish there was a female here that could say what I. She could write what I wrote. Or spoke what I said. Okay, so maybe it's interesting thing could be the periodic element table or elements or something like that, or maybe like a financial kind of video kind of thing. Just yeah. Maybe it's more interesting now to think a little bit about the periodic table of elements or something. I don't even know what it is. It's just it came to mind as a, as the period. It might be a thing. The periodic table of elements. Like, is it interesting for this planet to know? But I'm only gonna research now what it is. It's periodic. I don't even know. Man, that might mean something. If it really is called periodic, what is a periodic? That is just a breakthrough for me. It must mean something. So I found something, and so apparently, according to our new supercomputer AI kind of things, it is the periodic table of elements is a chart that organizes all known chemical elements based on their atomic number and recurring chemical. That's fucking boring to me. It's a fundamental tool in the chemistry and other sciences, helping scientists understand the relationships between elements and predict their behavior. When it's written about like that, I really don't care. Just bullshit. Just, it's just. For instance, what is actually on this periodic table? So, yeah, just the only thing I could imagine is that I would like, because there's like I don't know how many I see quickly, something like estimate like maybe like 100, something like that, different kind of elements. You would only think that someone would then go try to acquire all elements, because you can, with every element you could probably do a magic trick or something if you own a bit of it. I know it's possible with one element, that is for instance OW as gold. You can do a lot of magic tricks with gold. I know that. But, definitely also with silver you can do magic tricks. So it's also here. It's but I don't know what its name is. But it should be on there. Silver, that should be one too. I'm just gonna check if silver is on the periodic table. This might be interesting. So yeah, it's like there's another one on the periodic table. It's silver. You can do magic tricks with. So it's a chemical element with the symbol Ag and the atomic number 47. But it's interesting. So then you own finally, because when you were 7 years old and you realized that you want to do magic tricks on the planet, and you want every element of the periodic table, of course, and you realize that, and you just acquiring and working, and when you're 17 or 18 and you finally have no whatever, but maybe when you're 8 already, and then you have the silver, and then this is a fucked up thing, and of course someone would come to you and says, do you realize about the atomic properties of silver, for instance? And it could break your fucking head to think about what do you mean with that? The atomic element, or what? The atomic properties of my silver. What do you mean, Jelger, when you are talking about the atomic properties of the silver I own? Is that so important to you? What the atomic properties of that are, for instance? I'm just. No, but like, is it not for not only silver, but is there anything else you could do a magic trick with, like the table valence, like gold, silver, but anything interesting else, like yeah, copper. I mean, yeah, I know you can do magic tricks with copper. Then just I know one else. You can do magic tricks with. That is what was it again? Plus, um, so basically, just it's like palladium. Yeah, maybe like palladium is also on the atomic chart. I'm just gonna. I already see it. That's called PD. So then, also like I don't know. Just no, it breaks my head because I don't know what the atomic number of silver. Oh, it's 47. Oh, you remember like oh, it's the atomic number of silver is 47. And you're wondering maybe like what is the atomic number of my palladium? When you're 11 years old, you have reached the palladium too. Then is that important? Like, what is the atomic number of my palladium? Is it for a better understanding of the magic tricks or something like? So just you might research then, and I'm going to research now. So. Atom. What was I doing? Like atomic or something? Atomic. Uh, atomic of palladium. Atomic number of palladium. Yes. No. Okay, so the atomic number of palladium is 46. Now, what does that mean? It's breaking my head. It's breaking my head. I want to know. No, not really, but I'm gonna investigate if I can go further on this. So, it's also this thing. Because, then the fucking thing, like atomic. Okay, so interesting, this guy, Rijn Jager, comes up to you and it's like a fucking... and he would say like... Yo, whatever, like atomic properties and like... And you're thinking like, okay, I know that word, atomic. Atomic. And I know, but that must have because isn't something like you got these things called molecules? What the fuck that is? I don't know, but like molecules. Is there anything else like that? Is there atoms? Atoms. So are you saying when things are really, really small, you are saying everything is open. There is space between what is called solid. So it goes deep. That might be, yes. And even, yeah, these things move or something around each other. I think that's even a thing. But okay, now this should do for like this concept. I'm very much a. It's all these concepts sometimes come because I did a gymnasium and but then I never understood what anything meant. And just after I done the. After I worked and got the holistic work and thinking level, since then I understand more about things that were actually shown to me in the gymnasium. But no, whatever. But okay, thank you. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much. Okay, goodbye. Baarle.ch